everybody, Julian from JulianTechTM. I have today Ashley Rita Wong. She is my girlfriend.
Hi, I'm Julian.
No, you're not Julian, you're Ashley. We're not gonna do that. Today we will be doing a building challenge, teaching my girlfriend how to build a PC. And the challenge will be I can't touch anything. And it's quite perfect also because I have to help shoot here, shoot there anyway. And we also got one mic only. That's why I'm using this. It's a very budget video.
For now.
Yeah, for now. It works.
It works.
Your knowledge is that you kind of know, but you've never done it before, right?
I know the parts, but I've never done it before.
Yes. Funny thing about this PC that we are building, right, is actually for Ashley's friend. And Ashley's friend know that I am a PC builder. So he actually got all the parts and brought it here so that I can build it. But sorry friend, Ashley is gonna build it.
I'm gonna be building it.
Anything you want to say to your friend?
I apologize in advance for anything that I might mess up.
Don't worry one lah.
But under Julian's guidance, I hope that this PC will be fine.
Yeah. Challenge starts now. We want the motherboard and the processor to be on the table.
This one.
And with this, right, we can do the processor too.
I'm sorry.
Jeez.
I'm sorry. Bro.
Looks like it's a good working space.
Okay.
So first step, you need
A good working space.
So next you're gonna unwrap, place it on top of the box.
Okay.
Ah, very nice. Next thing we're gonna do is put the processor. Okay, Ashley Rita Wong. My
You call
girlfriend.
me by my full name only when I've done something wrong. What did I do?
No, you never do anything. You did. Your area is not clear.
How
You
did
have
I-
plastic here.
It's just plastic.
Yeah, so put it in the motherboard box or put it on top of the box or put it somewhere that you remember. This friend of yours actually came out to me, asked me to recommend him parts. So this is actually a lot of parts I kind of recommend him. So what PCU? What CPU is this? Do you know what CPU is this?
It's an Intel i7 10700.
Yes.
No K.
No K. The reason why we don't have a K, right, is because I feel like he's more of a gamer than a streamer. He's just doing like streaming. Because we want to keep the price to 2K, right?
Yeah.
The improvement for K is not that high.
Right.
Yeah, and he's not gonna overclock the CPU also. And also we have the motherboard, which is a B460M, not very equipped to overclock the CPU. So we're gonna put in the CPU into the motherboard. We need to identify, right, the triangle. It's actually very similar to the AMD. Yeah, correct. See that very small triangle?
Yeah.
And then you see that triangle here? That's right there on the plastic.
This one
yeah.
here.
So it's supposed to
So
align.
it's supposed to be this way, like
Yes,
that.
correct. Take out the metal bar, press it down, lift it up. You put in the CPU, it will just sit down without any pressure. Then you will close it and the plastic will pop out. You will close it the same way how you open it. Okay? Good. Go ahead.
Okay. So I need to press this down.
Okay. You can push back some more if I'm not wrong. Then you can.
So this whole thing comes up like
Yeah.
that. Oh, wow.
Grab the CPU
Sides,
by
right?
the sides. Yes.
Yep. Okay.
Yes, correct. Make sure the triangle is to the triangle.
I do. Can you see
Yeah.
it?
Wrong.
Yeah?
Very. Yeah, it's supposed to. Yes. Correct.
Yeah,
Catch.
this catch should
this
go
catch
down first.
has to be below the screw. Yes, and then you have to push the thing down and then put it into the.
Oh, it's kind of tough to like that.
Yes. It didn't pop out, but you can take it out. Yeah, so it's actually.
Oh, I can remove this.
Yeah.
This one? Oh.
Yeah.
Right.
Ta-da! So looking at this motherboard, right?
Yeah.
Because it's a small motherboard, you can see the CPU is quite close to the RAM. So if he didn't buy the right CPU cooler, it might block the RAM slot.
Oh.
And that's
no good.
So this is gonna be a little bit tricky because I also need to learn. Because different coolers have different ways of mounting the coolers. If I'm not wrong, you have to slot it up. So you see the 4 holes? So it should align perfectly. So you try it now.
Like that?
No. The other way, from below. From the bottom of the motherboard.
From the bottom. So, okay. Yeah. Yes.
Perfect.
Perfect. So,
Perfecto. You need to put the circle one. I think you're supposed to hand screw it in so so that the back plate is tight in.
Tight. Okay. Okay.
Thermal paste. We're gonna do that P method.
So what happens if I use too much?
You use too much and you spread, then it's gonna spread all around the CPU and even the metal motherboard, the casing, the bracket.
Right.
And you don't want to do that.
Why do I not want to do that?
This thermal compound is to spread heat.
Right.
So you're actually spreading heat to
all the
places
wrong
that's not supposed to spread heat. Yeah.
Okay.
A bit more. So slow. Okay. A bit more. 20% more. Okay, stop.
Do you spread it or
You don't spread it. Yeah. Putting the heatsink will spread it by itself. Take out this. Yeah. See. Warning. Remove before installation. People don't forget to remove.
Doesn't it just melt there?
Yeah. And it's bad lah.
It's really bad.
Yeah.
Right.
It is very bad.
Yeah, I'm trying to align this part here, right?
Correct.
To this part
Yes.
here.
Okay lah. It looks good. Looks like it's not blocking the RAM.
Ooh,
Looks pretty
barely.
good. Looks pretty good. Looks okay lah. So you just line it up and then make sure the notch hit the notch. So you see, I see already wrong side.
Oh, wrong side already. Yeah, no, because I can see here.
Yeah,
down
correct.
here.
But don't put the outside one. Put the inside one first. So
Yeah,
it's
put
easier
it in
to
this
put
one
outside.
first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So push down, equal force. Go.
Okay. Alright.
Correct, Liao. Sure not. Okay.
Sure.
Very nice.
Checked.
Very nice. Correct, Liao.
I mean, baby, good job.
I guess what we can do is put the IO shield first.
Alright.
It's like really put in a lot of elbow grease.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Now this works. Yeah.
You need a lot of elbow grease.
It's
Okay?
not super a lot. It's okay.
Because the standoff screws are all in. Let me double check. You see all 6 there, 6 here. So you can see all the standoff screws are there, right? All 6 of
These
them.
ones, right?
Yeah, all the standoff screws. So we can just align the IO to the IO shield.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
You still need to put a bit of support on the bottom.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or
But I
align.
see one here.
Yeah,
This
so-
one here's
yeah,
not
so
aligned.
you just have to move it a bit. Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah. Light plus. I cannot
Wow,
see.
light. Can you see from here?
Yeah, go.
Look
Screw.
from this side.
Screw. Screw. Ooh, very nice. Oh, where did it drop?
Yeah, I was overconfident with the magnet.
Never mind. I tell you what. Because there's more than 6, you just screw everything in. Then
Okay,
later you
when I
need
screw
to-
everything in. Okay.
What do you think you should put next?
Hard drive?
You have to see where the hard drive goes though.
This one here, right?
Yeah.
Here, right?
Where's the bracket?
Oh, here is it.
Tell the audience what you're unscrewing.
I'm unscrewing the hard drive bracket right now, so that I can put the hard drive in, and put it back, and re-screw everything back in.
Miss, do you have problems with that?
Yeah. Hold on, Oh, it's this hole. Okay,
Alamak, put in wrong hole.
That's what she said.
I'm sure
That's
you've done
hard.
that before.
No, I don't. No. What do you think about next?
Power supply.
I think we can do the case cables.
So
So actually
let's
no,
do-
you know what? It's your decision. I highly recommend not to put the GPU first. Because the GPU
Yeah,
will be full,
I
right?
don't
Then
want.
it's
Yeah,
in the
correct.
way.
It'll be in the
So
way.
you can
yeah.
either put the PSU first or the cables first. So it's up to you.
Let's do the PSU first. Sorry, yeah, let's do the PSU first because
Okay.
I'm very worried like it's heavy and all that. Then I have to keep turning.
Okay, Super Power LED 3. One of my personal favorite PSU.
What's this?
The cables.
Oh wow. Right. Okay. Wow, they packaged it so nicely. I didn't expect them to be cables.
Baby.
Yes.
You're doing a good job.
Oh, thank you very much. You're very encouraging.
Don't worry, you can just tighten it one side.
is it?
It's metal on metal anyway. So. Okay.
Yeah.
So I guess the
Okay.
next thing is really all the cables.
This is the part that I'm like half looking forward to and half not looking forward to. But I'll try my
it's
best. Okay.
It's I would say the more not hard, tedious is the word.
Tedious is the word. Okay.
It's very tedious.
Positive on the top left and negative on the right. You get it right?
So again, positive on the.
Left.
Have you built a computer before? The first time you built it, it turns on.
Yeah.
Many times.
Yeah. Do you see how important is it that we don't put the GPU first?
Yeah, if not my hand would
Yeah,
be
you can't-
blocked
you
by
can't put
a lot
anything,
of things.
yeah.
So
So you
these
can-
guys are just gonna hang out the back of the.
Yeah, then you're
The
gonna
PC.
cable management at the end. You can overlap, like you know you can overlap,
Yeah.
but it shouldn't overlap twice. If it
Right.
overlap twice, then there's a problem there.
Okay. Graphics
Let's
card.
put this
The last thing in. Okay. GeForce RTX 2070 Super. Put this here.
Wow.
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 It looks like a big graphic card, man.
It's huge.
That's what she said.
No fat shaming in
Hold on,
2020.
hold on. Come, put them together. Look! Look! That's gonna be the centerpiece of the PC. So align this to the PCIe slot. Wrong? See wrong? You have to turn it.
Turn it where? Like this way?
No. You look, the connector is facing you. It should be facing the motherboard.
Oh, okay, right. So this way like that.
No?
Huh?
One more?
Like that?
Ah! So it looks like it's the top two lah, right?
Shit out. Come on.
Aha! Okay, so you need to unlock the slot first.
Oh,
On
it's
the
like
right.
the RAM, right?
Yeah, it's like the RAM, yeah. So
I hate pushing anything into the motherboard.
very nice.
Suddenly got easier.
Because
How
you're
come,
because you're actually grooving the metal.
So do all of these go in or?
Yeah. So it's 8 pin and 6 pin.
Moments later.
I think we are done. Let's say you turn on the computer and it doesn't run. You can still check, right?
That'd be very sad, but we can
But
check.
no, but you think about it. If you cable management and you try to turn on and it doesn't run, then all
Okay,
you,
we turn it
Alright,
on. We test it now.
yes,
okay.
Okay, wait. This is your exam.
I studied so hard.
got so far. But in the end, does it really matter? We will find out.
We will find out.
So turn on the power supply. One more truth. Press the button. You see smoke? One more. Go. Oh, it works.
Sounds good.
But does it show up on
No,
the
no,
monitor?
does it show on the monitor? Yeah, does it show on the monitor? Mouse lighting up, but nothing's coming on the screen. What? Did I fail the exam?
Oh, I see the problem. VGA not.
It's not plugged in
Your
properly.
VGA not properly. One cable there also not plugged in properly. All the way at the end. Can you see?
Okay, okay, got it.
Are you ready for round 2?
Probably.
Okay, you press it. I haven't power yet lah.
That's true. Forgot to turn it on here. Okay. No, it doesn't even turn on at all.
Never plug in properly lah.
Just because you shifted the PC.
Oh, so what I guess happened, right? Because the VGA cable wasn't in properly, there weren't enough power to the graphic card.
Graphics card.
So the power was coming from the PCIe. And then there we go, Asrock.
It's alive.
It's alive.
It's a...
Ayo.
Hello everybody, Julian from the future. I did left some parts out because I wanted to make the video short, but I will list out all the parts on the screen now and in the description too. And now, benchmark time. The Intel i7-10700 scored 4823 CV. But do take note that the Ryzen 7 3700X is a 2019 CPU, while the Intel 10700 was just released not too long ago, so please take this benchmark with a grain of salt. Next, the superposition benchmark. Unfortunately, I didn't manage to benchmark the GPU with any 3rd gen AMD CPU. So again, take this with a grain of salt, because the real objective of this video was to teach my girlfriend how to build a PC. But one day, when we have more PCs, we can get more objective benchmark. And now, back to the video.
Alright, Vivi. I mean, Ashley. Boyfriend, girlfriend. Same lah. Took us only like 3 hours, but a total of like 6 hours with breaks and all. How do you feel?
I'm exhausted, but I'm pretty satisfied.
To be fair, we are also shooting something, so when you shoot and build, it's usually more tired.
Yeah.
I need to tell
Okay.
you. Wait first, give me a good angle, you know?
Right.
It's 1 AM, so thank you so much, Ashley, for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
Yes.
Julian.
Also, help me thank your friend for sending this PC
Oh, that's
for
true.
us
Thank you,
to
Ashley's
build.
friend, for giving us the parts here so that
Yes.
we can build one for you.
Do subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Comment if you got any comments lah. I don't know what you can comment lah. Usually y'all got hate comments and whatever lah.
Share,
Share with your friends.
subscribe, you
Subscribe,
like,
yes.
you share.
And I guess I know my ending already. And we're done. Thank you.
Good job, sir. You're very tired.
Okay,
You want me
tired.
to get the Asahi bowl for you first?
Oh yes. Oh yes. Yes.
Okay.
Food.